Dr. Osman, I happen to know him. He is my surgeon when I went to the bypass. So he and his father-in-law both are not cardiologists. So I don't know how they work together. They might have a strong argument with each other. But when they start arguing each other, they speak in Arabic. So I don't understand what they are talking about. But still, I keep contact with them, with Dr. His father-in-law. His father-in-law happens to be my next door neighbor, actually, next community. I learned one thing from him: do not live with your family doctors near around. Every time I go there, his office, he always say, "I see you are not speeding up yourself." I said, "What are you talking about?" He said, "You should speed up in the morning." When I walk in the morning, he drive by, he saw that, he thought, "I'm not speeding up." So I have a good connection with the family members. I know Osman for a long time. He's a great cardiologist, scholar, and his father-in-law also a great scholar. He has been there with for a long period of time. So when I go to his office, basically, I like to see him. Both of them, they do not talk about my problem or here and there. They talk about Egyptian politics. All about Egyptian politics. They say, we know what to do, and we really enjoy it. So he's a great scholar. I like to see that we should utilize this person, these people for the society. It will be a great honor for the organization like Alhikmat to provide this certificate. It's a recognition. I should not call certificate. I should call a recognition. Sorry for my voice. I have a Parkinson's problem, so I am loose. But I really appreciate. I must appreciate here with Brother Azad and his family, and it will be very much dishonored not to mention my wife. Actually, she's the boss in the house, so I'm not the boss. I just talk once in a while. But she ran the family. She ran the whole family. She knows what's going on in this organization also. Marana knows that. Brother Azad knows that what's going on. So please keep us in your prayer. God bless you all. We might see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
So we want to call up Brother Dr. Mohamed Osman to the stage to collect the award.
Assalamu alaikum. You're getting young.
Yes, I am. I want to say thank you. First of all, salamu alaikum. I want to thank the whole crew here and Brother Shafayat and his team for putting this wonderful evening together. Brother Shafayat, it was a wonderful event. Thank you so much for that. Even though I was mostly impressed by your funding raising skills, I was mostly entertained by your sense of humor, especially about the sheriff's hair. So it was very good. But anyway, I see many faces here of people that has been serving the community for so many years. I don't want to name them by names because I don't want to embarrass anybody, but they have been serving the community relentlessly with their time, money, and effort for years. I want to say thank you to all of them, and I want to encourage them to keep being a model, a role model for the next generation of young leaders who will hopefully follow their steps. Thank you very much.